Hi, I'm Yashasvi Admane. I'm an architect. I studied at Academy of Architecture, Mumbai. I'm here to talk about my thesis, Celebrating the Formal-Informal Interface. The thesis started with an attempt to understand social exclusion and its effects on the built environment. This led to the site at Kurla in Mumbai, which recently has been seeing fragmented infrastructural development without consideration of the existing context of informal settlements and industrial areas. The site selected was a fringe between the Phoenix Marketcity Kurla Mall and adjoining Sanjay Nagar and Qureshi Nagar informal settlement. The aim of the thesis was to develop a new model of infrastructure development wherein the proposed build form benefits the context of informal settlements of Sanjay Nagar and Qureshi Nagar by adding amenities that are deficit. The architecture here attempts at creating an inclusive and interactive interface between the formal and informal typology and its user groups. The design was conceived in three scales, as in the neighborhood node providing for the informal settlements, the community node as an inclusive ground between the formal and informal typology, and the urban node as the catalyst for development of public amenities in Kurla. Programs like public toilet, creche, training center, library, workshop areas, etc. were derived to provide for and bring about the development of informal settlements and Kurla at large. The design framework involves agencies like BMC, CSR department in the process of construction under public-private partnership with the developer. Modular building materials were used, such as steel, which can increment the buildings in future as per need. Recycled construction materials were used for walls and cladding on the structure. Rainwater harvesting system and solar systems were implemented to make the building self-sufficient. Additional functions like advertisement spaces, rentable workshop areas would generate income to run the public amenities. These factors would enable community participation in the process of building. The design creates architectural typologies that are socially integrated and self-sustainable. The architecture becomes a dialogue to transform everyday mundane programs into a progressive context for development. Thank you.